Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Canon MAXIFY MB series printer, and I'm gonna show you how to reset settings without resetting network settings, without resetting the web services settings. So how to reset only your changes. To do it, you need to scroll right and find settings, setup, click OK. Scroll right, find device setting, click OK. Scroll down, find reset setting, click OK. Scroll down, find setting only, click OK. Go up, yes, OK. Wait a while. And cool, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.